Hey guys, my name is Marlo from out of Las Vegas. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a DIY area rug deep cleaning, guys. That's right, area rug deep cleaning. So we're gonna get rid of that dirt, that filth, that grime, that bacteria out of your carpet, that dirty grease, guys. So who am I? Who's Marlo from out of Las Vegas? So a long time ago, I got out of the military. I was like, man, I'm gonna create a business. I'm gonna create a cleaning business. I'm gonna learn how to clean area rugs and clean carpets, guys. But what I noticed was people's carpets were super filthy, guys, to the max. And the reason why they're filthy is because people wear their shoes inside their home, and that's how their area rugs get greasy and dirty and filthy. So I'm gonna show you how to deep clean your area rug. And but you must know, I know you're seeing a lot of these videos and they're using these clickbait videos. They're using these extremely muddy rug carpets, and they're using these specialized equipment to make you think that you need their business to clean their carpet. But guys, you can do it at your home, right? At your home. And I'm gonna do mine in my backyard. And the reason why we're doing it outside, because you need to rinse that carpet. Rinse that carpet very good when cleaning. And also you need vacuuming. You need suction, guys, and you need a dry, wet vacuum. And I'll show you what I use. And the reason why I use that is because it has strong CFM, strong airflow. You need that to get rid of that matted look on your area rug and make your area rug look fluffy again and vibrant and bring those colors back. Those rotary vacuums, they don't perform a good job because the suction's not as powerful, guys. It's not as powerful. And this vacuum that I use is less than 150 bucks. You can get at Lowe's or Home Depot. And but you need that. So all we need is agitation, a cleaning solution. I'm gonna use OxyClean. My area rug's not as soiled, so the strength of the suction is gonna bring all that filth out of my area rug. But if your area rug is black in color, I'll share in the description a cleaner that's, I think, less than $15, excuse me. But it will get rid of all that grease and pet stains in your area rug. But let's get started with this video. I'm gonna make it quick as possible so you understand. So I'm gonna roll up my area rug carpet and we're gonna take it outside. All right, guys, so here's my area rug carpet. I just wanna show you, I'm getting rid of this area rug carpet. It's by Loloy. And I'm replacing with the brand new area rug carpet. That's why I'm cleaning this. But as you can see how the carpet there's nice and blue, and then over here it's flattened and a little cloudy. So this is what happens to all carpets. See how it's blue, and then areas it's very cloudy. So right there it's nice and blue, right? This is where the coffee table was, but here it's cloudy looking. So we're just gonna clean it, revive it. I'm gonna roll it out and get started. So the first step, I'm just gonna roll it up so we can just drag it outside. So I went ahead and rolled the carpet outside in my backyard. So as you can see in the middle there, how the blues are nice and vibrant. And then on the edges, it's cloudy, right? It's not super filthy, but it's a little cloudy. So I'm gonna clean it up real good. So guys, if you're gonna use OxyClean like myself, first put water in the microwave for 3 minutes so we can decrystallize the OxyClean powder cleaner, guys. But most of you guys are gonna use a different cleaning solution. Just in case you got OxyClean like myself, make sure you microwave your water, okay? All right, guys, if you're using OxyClean, all you gotta do is just do a couple of scoops and put it inside your hot water. That helps decrystallize and dilute the OxyClean, as you see here. And we're gonna put it inside of a spray bottle. All right, guys, most area rugs have hair, human hair or pet hair. This silicone brush is kind of a new brush in the industry, and this can brush all the pet hair out before you start cleaning. So you're gonna get all the pet hair out of the area rug carpet before we wet the area rug. I have no pet hair, but I'm just giving you an example, and this is how you collect the hair. All right guys, the next step is to hose down your area rug. You're gonna give it a good drenching. If you don't have a hose, you could probably just fill up a storage container, fill it up with water, and pour it over your area rug. So we're gonna drench it real good, guys, before we apply the cleaner. Off to the next step. All right guys, I went ahead and poured my OxyClean in the Zep Professional sprayer. There's different types of sprayers. I like this for people because it's nice and cheap. So we're gonna just spray it. And it sprays out a lot, as you can see. And we're gonna lather it with our agitator and microfiber. So you just spray it down, sprays out a lot. And we're just gonna get the whole, oops, oh, I dropped it. This is what really happens in a DIY. So I'm gonna spray it real good. As you can see, spray down the whole carpet. We got it, guys, we got it. What's really gonna lather all this cleaner is the agitator. Alright guys, this is the agitator. You can use the agitator without a microfiber. I like the microfiber because if you're dealing with a shaggy carpet, this microfiber can lather and go over the rug without, you know, pulling out the strands, right? Easily. But we need agitation to get that cleaner into the fibers and let it dwell. So after we lather the carpet, we're gonna let the chemical be on the carpet for at least 10 minutes. So now we're gonna wet down the microfiber so it easily glides across the rug. All right guys, so we have our agitator here, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. You're gonna lather the areas real good, guys. When I mean real good, you're gonna scrub it with the microfiber and agitator. I like to go inside in. Doing this with one hand. Get that chemical in there. Okay. Agitate it real good, guys. All throughout the whole carpet. Get that chemical in there. All right guys, dwell time has taken place. So now that it's done dwelling, I'm gonna give it a good rinsing, guys, before we vacuum. We wanna wet the area rug so that when we're vacuuming all that filth, it's easier for the filth to come up. So we're gonna drench it real good, guys. Just like this before we vacuum. We're gonna get off to vacuuming, guys. All right, guys, so this is Alright guys, this is a specialty vacuum I was telling you about by Rigid. Very powerful. I've had this for many years. They last forever, guys. So this is a 16 gallon 6.5 peak, and it's got all the power to clean everything in your home, guys. So the area rug is drenched, and it comes with attachments, but when you don't use an attachment, it means the hose is shorter and the airflow is stronger, so we're not going to use the attachment. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I finally cleaned up the area rug, did a nice deep cleaning, but every rug's going to be different. Some rugs only need one rinsing and vacuuming. If yours is really dirty, you may have to do a rinse 2 or 3 times and then do a vacuuming. But I'll show you up close that there's absolutely no filth on this textured rug, and we did a very good job. And yes, this is a textured rug. And what's most important about the suctions is what brings up the fibers and all the filth inside the carpet. And it's very important that you know that. No shortcuts, guys. You have to rinse and vacuum, rinse and vacuum. But this is what you call a textured rug. And absolutely no filth. Nice and clean. So you guys go. I'm purchasing a new rug. If you want to see my other new video on how to choose a rug, watch my channel, and I think you'll like my videos, guys. If you're all about do it yourself, that's what my video is all about, guys. Alright guys, so I just finished up cleaning up my area rug, did a deep cleaning, cleaned it up, guys. So how to dry it: you're not going to put it in direct sunlight because you can sunbake your rug, and also it can fade the carpet and fade the colors on the carpet. So what I'm going to do is just air dry it inside the garage is what I'm going to do. If you don't have a garage, you want to put it underneath a covered structure. And then once it's dry, once you get it in the house, you want to do one more vacuum cleaning. You can use your regular vacuum cleaner, because remember, it's been outside, right? There's a lot of dirt floating around. So you can do one more vacuuming. So I'm going to show you how much water I was able to extract. I'm going to show you that vacuum, how powerful that vacuum is. I'm going to show you all the water. We're going to dump the water. And then I'm out of here, guys. You know what to do. Give me a like or subscribe. So let's go check it out, guys. Go see how much water we extracted out of the carpet, guys. Let's go check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump it all out. And this is all the water that was extracted. Look at this. Ugh. So that's it, guys. Hope to see you guys again.